Good morning, ma. Last time what we learned? Last time the revision part little bit will do, and today the new topic will do. The new topic today what we will learn means comparing of two numbers having 6 digits. How you will compare two numbers? How you will put greater than, lesser than, equal to, and how you will write the greatest number if they gave you the digits. How you will write the greatest number and the smallest number, that also we will learn. That is a two new topic for you. First what we will do means we will do the revision part of the previous class. What we learned in the previous class? We learned expanded form, and if they gave you, say first one is the expanded form and the second one is they will give you the number name and you must write in the number numeral. You must write the numeral for the number name. The two once we will do the revision part. Once we will recall it, then we will go to today's topic. Okay? Now take your book. I will give you the numbers. You copy it. Before me, you write the answer and check. I also will write the answer. You check, just answer whether you wrote answer correct or not. Okay, ma? Take your book. Be ready. We will do the revision part. Last time what we learned? We learned expanded form having 6 digits. Here having 6 digits. Here I will write for number 4,65,736. This we will write in the expanded form. When you are writing expanded form, we will start writing from the lakhs place. This is the lakhs place. How you know it is lakhs place? If you got any doubt, just write the place value top. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000 and the lakhs. So first you will write the 4 lakhs. For lakhs, how many zeros will be there? 5 zeros. Remember that. Suppose if you got doubt, if you forgot it, so easy way I am telling. Just write 4, close it, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. It will be easy for you. The next number is 6. Write 6. Just close the digit 1, 2, 3, 4. Just put 4 zeros. It will be easy for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put comma. 6 is in 10,000 place. We got it 60,000. Now go to the next. Write 5,000. 3 zeros are there. That also you forgot, it means easy way. Just close the thousands place. More how many digits are there here? 3 digits are there. Just put 3 zeros. Over. Now thousands over. Go to the next place. That is 100. Write 7. And for 100, 2 zeros. That also you don't know. Easy way is just close the hundreds place. 1 and 2 is there. Just put 2 zeros. Then go to the tens place. In the tens place 3 is there. Write 3. Close it. One digit is there. Put 0. The last digit is 6. If you close 6, any number is there? No. Just write 6. This is the expanded form. Already we learned. And other thing what we learned, that is they gave the number name and you must write that number name in the numeral, means number. I will give you one number name here. 5 lakh 60,000. 5 lakh 60,000. 5. That you must write the number here, numeral you must write. So how you will write? You will think that it is easy, directly you will write 5, 6, 5 you will write. Not like that. So what you will do means, you write the place value, then you will write correctly. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and the lakh. Okay? Now 5 lakh. 5 is in which place? Lakhs place. So you write 5 in the lakhs place. Over. You can draw the line. Over. Now 60,000. 60 means how you will write the number? That is 6 and 0. This is thousands place. This is 10,000 place. So you will write 6 and 0. 1,000 and 10,000 also over for us. Now next hundreds you must take. But any 100 is there? No, no 100. So don't write anything. Now here only 5 they gave. 5 means only one digit. So that 5 where you will write? In the ones place. Here no 100, no tens. So if there is no number, just put 0. And after 3 digits, comma. After 2 digits, comma. If they gave you the number name, you must write the numeral like this. Okay, ma? Now this is the revision part. I did. Now Now today's one is, today what we are learning, today new topic, what we are learning, comparing numbers. Comparing 6-digit number. How you will compare which one is greater and which one is lesser and both are equal or not. How to compare that? Here 6 digits are there. So how you will compare? More numbers are there. Now how you will compare? See here, one example I will give you. One number I am giving here having 6 digits. After 3 digits you will put comma, after 2 digits you will put comma. That side also I will give you the same 6-digit number. After 3 digits comma, after 2 digits comma. And you all know the place values, everything. Here when you are comparing the 2 digits, you must follow some rules. Then only easily, it will be very easy to compare 2 numbers. For comparing 2 numbers, you will put the signs. Which sign you will put? This is the greater sign. This is the greater sign. And like this it is there, closing the mouth. That is the lesser one. Means smaller one also you can say, lesser one also you can say. And the next one is the great. Equal to. If both the digits are same, then you will put is equal to. Equal to. This is greater one. Opening the mouth and closing like this. This is the lesser one, and both are same means this is equal to. That signs you must put here. This number you must compare this number to that number. When you are comparing, you must follow some rules. What are the rules? We will do some example, then easily we will understand. The first rule is, first count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 digits are there. Here also you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also 6 digits are there. Both are 6 digits, 6 digits. So both are same? No, both are not same. Numbers are different. Numbers are different or not? Only the digits are same. Here 6 digits are there. Here also 6 digits are there. The first rule is you must count the digits. If both are same, what to do? Second rule you must follow. Second rule, what we must do? What is the second rule? Compare the first one. Lakhs place, you must compare. Here 7 and here 6. Now here 7 is there, here 6 is there. Now this 7 is greater or lesser than 6. 7 is greater or lesser than 6. 7 is greater. So you will put here also greater side. 7,86,567 is greater than 6,58,478. Here we follow 2 rules. Third, fourth also I will tell you how to do. One more example also we will do. Other number 7,80,562. 7,80,673. Here I gave you different numbers. What is the first rule? Count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6. Both are same. First rule over. Now the second one. Both 6 digits, 6 digits. But both numbers are not same. So which is greater, which is lesser? So second rule you must go. What is the second rule? Compare the lakhs place. Here lakhs place are same. Here 7 is there, 7 is there. Both are same. So what you must do? Third one. Third rule is go to the next place. 10,000s place. But 10,000 also same. 8 and 8. Same is there. Then go to the next place. Thousands place. 1,000 also same is there. So what to do? Go to the next place. Keep finger and see. 5 is there. Here 6 is there. Both are same? No. So 5. Here I am writing. If it is different, then only you must put these numbers here. 5 and 6 here. Now 5 is lesser or greater than 6. 5 is lesser. So you can put here lesser side. 7 lakh 80,562 is lesser than 7,80,673. Like this, you must compare two numbers. You must follow the rules. First rule is count the digits. Both are same. Then compare lakhs place. If lakhs place also same, then go to 10,000's place. If 10,000 place is different, then compare it and put greater or lesser or equal or like that. If 10,000 place is same, go to thousands. If same, go to hundreds. If same, go to tens. If same, go to ones. If both the numbers are same, one more example I will give you here. Having 6-digit number 7,67,846. 7,67,846. Here 6 digits, both are same. Then compare lakhs place, both are same. Compare 10,000 place, both are same. Thousands place same, hundreds place same, tens place same, ones place same. All digits are same, both the numbers are same. Then which sign you put? Equal to. You put equal to. This number is equal to this number. 7,67,846 is equal to 7,67,846. Both are same. Like this, you must follow the rules and compare two numbers. Once we will do the revision part. That the first rule what? Count the digits. If both are same, compare the first one. If it is lakhs, compare lakhs. Then if lakhs are same, go to next place. Same, next. Like that you must see. Anywhere in any place different digit or number is there, then take the two numbers, compare it, whether it is greater or lesser or equal or, that you must see and put the sign. Okay ma? More I will give you. One more bit also we must learn now. I think you all understood how to compare two numbers when you must put greater, lesser, equal. And one more thing also we will learn today, that is how you will put greatest and the smallest number. How to write that. If they gave you the digits, how to write that? How to write the greatest and the smallest digit, smallest number, greatest and smallest number. How you will write greatest and smallest number? Suppose if they gave you 6-digit number, one example we will do that. 6, 7, 1, 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits over and 9. If they gave you 6 digits, and how you will write greatest number? Remember, number, digits, difference are there. Don't be confused. And next one is the smallest number. How you will write greatest number and the smallest number if they gave you 6 digits. Digits means after each number commas will be there. Number means according to place values you will put the comma. That I will tell you. Here these are the digits. After each number we are putting the comma. 6, 1 digit. 6, 7, 1, 0, 4, 9. These are all our digits. Now how you will write 6-digit number? Greatest and smallest 6-digit number. 6-digit number. Remember it. Number. I am repeating that word. How you will write 6-digit number? Greatest. Greatest means the big number. In this, which is a bigger number? 9. So you write 9 over. Now next 7. Next number 6. The next number 4. Next number 1. The next 0. I wrote all the numbers here. I didn't put any comma. And after each number also I didn't put any comma. If you put comma, that will become a digit. But they told us to write greatest number. They told us to write greatest number. So number means according to place value you must put comma. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakhs. This is 9,76,410. This is the number. Greatest 6-digit number. In this is the greatest 6-digit number. Difference is there or not? Digits means after each one we are putting comma. Number means according to places. According to the place value we will put the commas. Now we will write the smallest one. How you will write the smallest one? In this smallest one, directly what you will say, 0 is the smallest one. Okay, we will write the number here. 0 is the smallest one. They told us to write 6 digits. Here they gave 6 digits. Remember it. 6 digits means compulsory you must get lakhs. We will write here 0 you will say. By seeing these digits only you will say 0 is the smallest one. Okay, 0 will write. And next 1. Next smallest 4. Next smallest 6. Next smallest 7. And next smallest 9. So here I wrote the number here. Now here I will put comma. So after 3 digits comma, after 2 digits comma. So how you will read here? How many digit number you got? Here we got only 5 digit number. We got only 5 digit number. This 0 no value. Before the number it is there, no value at all. Understood? We got 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. But we don't want this 5 digit. We want 6 digits. Then how you will write 6 digit number? How you will write means what we must do if 0 is there, don't put 0 first. 0 next to smallest number what? 1. So first you write 1, then you write this 0. Next to smallest you write. Next to smallest you write. Next to smallest. Next to smallest. After 3 digits comma, after 2 digits comma. Now what we got? This is 1,04,679. Here we got 6 digit number. If 0 is there, what you must do? Take the smallest one, then put 0. First only you don't put 0. Understood? I think you all understood how to write the greatest number and the smallest number. Number means after each digit you must not put comma. According to the places you must put comma. This is the number and this is the digits. This is the digits and this is the number. I think you all understood how to write greatest and smallest number if they gave you 6 digits. Okay ma? I think you all understood how to compare. First one what we learned? How to compare two numbers. And the second bit what we learned? How to write greatest and the smallest 6-digit number. In today's class, we learned two things. One is comparing two numbers. Second one is how to write greatest 6-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. Now open your book. I will start giving the homework. You copy down in your rough notebook where you are writing. Every day you are writing, no? In every video we are giving homework. In one book you are writing the homework. In that book open, start copying the homework part and answer it also. I think you all understood. Open your rough notebook. I will give you homework. Okay? Open it. Homework part I will give you. Write today's date. Homework for you is today's date. First bit. What? Greater than, lesser than and equal to. That you put in the boxes. Here I will give you 4. 4 4 sums I will give you. 4,62,735 and here 5,62,745. Next one 8,72,600, 8,72,532, 4,63,742, 4,63,742, 9,70,500, 9,70,506. This one you must compare and put. Next, the second bit is form the greatest and smallest six-digit number. Remember it. It must be a six-digit number. And the first one is here I gave you six-digit number and you must write the greatest six-digit number and the smallest six-digit number. Only one only I am giving in the Zoom class. Only one only I am giving in the Zoom class. I will give you something. Okay, ma? Here I gave you putting greater than, lesser than, equal to. You must compare it and put whether it is greater or lesser or equal. Okay, 4 I gave you. And the second bit is form the greatest and smallest six-digit number. Here I gave you the 6 digits. I gave you one number you write the greatest, another number you write smallest. Okay, ma? Thank you.